Smart Lock Networking Tutorial 1. Download the Tuya Smart app and log in. Open the mobile App Store app, search for Tuya Smart in the App Store, and click Download. Open the Tuya app. Registered users can log in with their account and password. If you haven't registered yet, register first. 2. Create a home. Enter the app, click Me, click Home Management, click Create a Home, enter home name, city location, click OK, then click Save, and click Done after successful creation. Operate the front lock to enter the network configuration mode. Touch the digital area to wake up the smart lock, press the and keys, enter the administrator unlocking information, and enter the system. Press 4 Network Settings to enter the network configuration mode. Turn on Bluetooth in the phone settings, and return to the menu after turning it on. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner and click Add Device. Click Camera Lock. Click Door Lock Bluetooth. Click to check Start Bluetooth Pairing, then click Next. Wait for the front and rear lock devices to connect. Click Done after adding successfully, and the phone has been successfully connected to the lock. Press the key to exit the menu. Front lock Bluetooth unlocking. Remote unlocking requires gateway support, which can be purchased separately. Click Door Lock to enter the operation page. Press the doorbell on the lock, and the phone will receive the unlocking request. Click the key icon at the bottom and slide it to the right to unlock via Bluetooth. Temporary password. Click Temporary, click Get Password to randomly generate an 8-digit password. Click Done to return to the page. Enter the temporary password on the lock to open the door. 6. Add the front lock members and member unlocking information. Click Family, click Family Members. Click Add for fingerprints. Click Start Adding. Enter the fingerprint on the lock. Press 5 times in a row, and note that each time you enter the fingerprint, please enter it from multiple angles to ensure that the fingerprint is entered completely. Enter the name as required and click Done. Click Add for password. Enter the password and name as required, and click Save. Unlock with temporary password. Click Add for card, click Start Adding to enter the card. Enter the name as required and click Done. Return to the previous page. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner and select the member type according to your needs. Enter the name, region, account number, and click Save in the upper right corner. 7. Smart Application. Click Smart Application. Turn on Family Return Home as needed, and click Save. Turn on Door Lock Alarm as needed, and click Save. Return to the previous page. 8. More Settings. Click More Settings. Click Open for remote unlocking. Click Double Verification and select Single Unlocking or Combination Unlocking according to your needs. Click Always Open Mode and select Open or Close according to your needs. Click Door Lock Volume and select the door lock volume according to your needs, and click OK. Click Door Lock Language and select the door lock language according to your needs. Click OK and return to the page. 9. Delete the device. Click the edit icon in the upper right corner. Click Remove Device. Select Unbind and Clear Data, and click OK to remove the device. 10. Rear Lock Bluetooth Unlocking. Remote unlocking requires gateway support, which can be purchased separately. Click Seize to 355 to enter the operation page. Press the doorbell on the rear lock, and the mobile phone receives the unlock request. Long press the lock icon to unlock via Bluetooth. The rear lock function is the same as the front lock. Refer to the previous video. 11. Add a gateway optional. Plug the gateway into the charging head. When the indicator light turns on, you can add the gateway in the Tuya app. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner and click Add Device. Click Gateway Central Control. Click Door Lock Wi-Fi. Click to check confirm the indicator light is flashing. Then click Next. Select At Home Wi-Fi, enter the password, and click Next, waiting for device to connect. After adding successfully, click Done. The mobile phone has been successfully paired with the lock. Click Bluetooth Gateway to enter the operation page. Click Add Device at the bottom and select Add to List. Please select the sub-device to add. Then click the Confirm button in the upper right corner, waiting for device to connect. After adding successfully, click Done. The gateway and the lock are now matched successfully. Open any device and slide the key icon to unlock it remotely. Long press the gateway to initialize it. 12. Add remote control optional. Connect the remote control module to the circuit board and organize it to prevent breakage. Unplug the power cable connected to the front lock. Click the Initialize button once. Pick up the remote control, press it, and when you hear the lock beep twice, it means the addition is successful. Then connect the power cord to the circuit board and close the secondary lock panel. Remote unlocking.